Hey, what's up, guys? 2022 Chevy Trax. I'm new to the oil light reset. I'm going to be using this button right here that says menu, and then there's a button on the end of this lever. I think it's the OK button, set clear button. And I'm going to go ahead and get closer here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hit this menu right here to this side. There's an arrow. Hit that. And then up there, it went to vehicle. Like I can go back and forth. So you go to vehicle, and it says remaining oil 13%, and then I'm going to push and hold this button. Are you sure you want to reset? Okay, now this one goes up and down, so we're going to tilt this upwards to go to yes, like that. This can go up and down, you see. So go to yes, and then we're going to hit this outside button on the end again. Hit yes. Boom, done. And that is the 2022 Chevy Trax oil filter light reset. All right, thanks for watching.